Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Federal judge on Monday agreed to appoint a special master to review record sites by the FBI during its search of former President Donald Trump's Florida estate, a move that is likely to delay the Justice Department criminal investigation. This Chris, Judge Lynn Cannon in West Palm Beach, Florida, granted Trump request, who is sometimes a insensitive case to review material that could be covered by affording client's privilege. Cannon said the person will be tax covered by attorney-client privilege by any record possibly master to review document that could by coverage by offer by executive that can sell some while house record from the record as part of its criminal investigation, a move that will likely at last review into whether the records could cause any damage to national security if exposed. Trump is under investigation for removed government records, some of which were marked as highly classified from the White House after his department in January 20 and 21 and strung them in his home at his Mar-a-Lago estate in Palm Beach. The Justice Department has said it is also investigating possible obstruction after the FBI uncovered evidence that Trump team may have deliberated consulate classified document when against tried to recover them in June. If the special master decides from some of the material is covered by Trump expectation, Village claimed it could hamper on government investigation. Cannon, he was appointed by Trump in 2020, just months before he left office, rejected by the government argument that the record belonged to the government and that Trump is not longer president and therefore cannot claim executive privilege. She gave Trump legal team and the Justice Department until Friday on jointly file a proposed life of special master candidates. However, the courts ultimately taps will need to have the request security clearancer and legal expression. It is unclear whether the Justice Department will appeal canon rules for on what basis it would do so. The United States is examining the opinion and will consider opposing next step and in the ongoing litigation. Justice Department spokesman Anthony Clay said representative for Trump did not respond to a request for comment. However, in a post on this social platform following Canadian Trump wrote, "Remember, it takes courage and guts to fight a totally corrupt Department of Justice and the FBI. Wallet of special treatment. Some legal expert on Monday called the judge ordered the plea slowed. This is not something court do, said Jonathan Safe, a former Justice Department attorney. He said was odd for Cannon to block the Justice Department from review the records at this stage in the investigation before an indictment has even been returned. Okay, I think that's for me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.